Skoda Lucknow. Myself Arshad Siddiqui from Kamal Kishore Skoda. I would like to introduce you about some of the features of new Skoda Karoq. As you can see the front view of the car, it has got a chrome surround radiator grille, butterfly grille, which gives it a very premium look. It has got 4 trees bonnet, which gives it again a very dynamic look. It has got LED DRLs, LED projector headlamps, which you can see with LED eyelashes. LED fog lights are there. It has got automatic headlight washer. Apart from that, it has got front parking sensors for parking for traveling in bumper to bumper traffic. Now I would like to show you some side profiles of the car, side features of the car. It has got ORVMs, auto foldable ORVMs with indicators, as you can see. It has got dual tone anthracite alloy wheels. It has got a tire size of 17 inches, which is very much required for an SUV. It has got a ground clearance of 200 mm, as you can see. Apart from that, all car lines have got a rough road package for better safety of the car. Now I would like to show you the rear seat legroom and all. As you can see, I would like to show you the rear seat legroom. As you can see, it has got a very much fantastic legroom. Now I am going to sit inside the car. It has got a stone beige dual tone interior, stone beige leather upholstery. You can see it has got a rear AC vent. It has got a 12-volt point for charging. It has got rear seat armrest with glass holders. Apart from that, I would like to show you that it has got a bottle holder in all the 4 doors. We are very much concerned for the comfort of our passengers. That's why we have given all these features. Now I would request you to come to the rear portion of the car. As you can see, it has got a very sporty look, very fantastic look at the rear. It has got a centrally high mounted stop lamp. It has got a rear defogger with timer. It has got rear wiper and washer. It has got rear camera with washer again. It has got a boot space of 521 liters. As you can see, it has got a very much huge boot space we are giving. Apart from that, it has got a detachable magnetic torch. You can see like this. We can utilize it in case of an emergency. We can utilize it. It has got a magnetic effect in it. Apart from that, I would like to show you some more features of the car. That it has got a C-shaped LED tail lamps, again, which is a very fantastic feature and patent feature for Skoda.
हैंग कर गया
आवाज़ को जा रही है. It has got a fuel tank of 50 liters and it has got a safety feature that is called fuel supply cut off in a crash. In case of an impact, fuel supply will be cut off and there will be no chances of blast in the car. Now I would like to show you some more features of the car. The important feature is this. It has got a Skoda welcome logo, as you can see in the daytime, and in the night time it will give you a very fantastic effect. Now I would like to show you some more features. It has got a 12-way electronic adjustment at the driving seat with 3 programmable memory seats. It has got a sill plate with Karoq inscripted on the plates. Now I would like to show you that it has got a very much airy interiors, dual tone interiors, and it has got this LED ambient lights in 10 color options, which you can change. Apart from that, it has got a sunroof, panoramic sunroof, which you can see over here. I would like to show you. If we talk about the safety features of the car, it has got 9 airbags, it has got multi-collision braking, it has got pre-fill hydraulic braking system readiness, it has got all the safety features which are there required in a SUV kind of car. Apart from that, it has got virtual cockpit. As you can see, this is the virtual cockpit of the car. It has got an 8-inch multi infotainment system. It has got a dual zone climatronic AC. It has got a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission with Tiptronic mode. That is what you can drive it manually also. Apart from that, it has got a paddle shifters, which you can see over here. It has got paddle shifters. It has got a glove box, cooled glove box, and you can utilize your SD card over here, which you can through which you can play your songs and all. Apart from that, I would like to show you some interesting feature that it has got a glove box compartment over here at the dashboard. secret. You can put your documents, or you can put your belongings over here also. Some more features I would like to tell you about the engine portion. I request you to come to the engine part. And so this is the 1.5 liter TSI engine which is used in Karoq. I would like to tell you that it has got a power output of 150 bhp. It has got a torque of 250 Newton meter, and it has got a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, and it gives you a mileage of 16.95 kilometer per liter. Apart from that, we have got a warranty of total warranty of 6 years or 1,50,000 kilometers along with the extension warranty, and it has got a 6 years unlimited kilometers RSA along with the extension period. And we are also offering a Skoda maintenance package at a very attractive cost for 4 years or 60,000 kilometers. That's all from our side. Now I would like to request you, sir, our all cars are sanitized, our showroom is sanitized. I request you to come to our showroom, take a test drive of the car, enjoy the car, and fulfill your dreams with the car. Thank you very much.